Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to link smart stickers to a patient using the script. The system prompts the practitioner to link the patient to a smart sticker protocol if the ICD-10 code on the script matches the existing protocol. In this video, we will start on the script screen. For more information regarding the script, please refer to the basic script features user manual linked in this video's description. Click on the diagnosis field and fill out the ICD-10 code which is linked to a smart sticker protocol. For more information regarding the setup of a smart sticker protocol, please refer to the smart sticker protocol setup user manual linked in this video's description. An attention pop-up will appear advising the user that the patient can be registered for the smart sticker protocol linked to the ICD-10 code typed in the diagnosis field. Click on the cancel button to return to the script screen without linking the patient to the smart sticker protocol. Click on the OK button to link the smart sticker protocol to the patient. The smart sticker protocol screen will open. Click on the Choose Protocol drop-down menu and select the relevant smart sticker protocol. Click on the Choose State drop-down menu and select the relevant smart sticker protocol. Finally, click on the Add button. The smart sticker protocol will now be added to the smart sticker protocol screen. For more information regarding the Smart Sticker Protocol screen, please refer to the Add a Smart Sticker Protocol to a Patient user manual linked in this video's description. Click on the Close button to exit the Smart Sticker Protocol screen without adding the Smart Sticker Protocol to the patient. Click on the Save button to add the Smart Sticker to the patient and return to the script screen.